Damn right, I got knives here with another knife review. Every time I say ant, I'm gonna put an ant on the screen. And that's that, that's the fun. First, let's talk about this. Gary Numan and the Tubeway Army replicas. The cool stuff. And this album here particularly is his second studio album, released in 1979 on Beggar's Banquet. Picked this one up, used, and just pretty beat up, but it all plays. I can listen to it. Great songs on here. If you don't know Gary Numan, he did a famous song called Cars. He had a lot of other great records and songs, and I've always enjoyed his stuff. So that's what we're listening to in the background. All right, let's move along. I'm drinking this right here, a cider. And I already had a sip, and it's really delicious. Samuel Smith's Organic Perry Sparkling Pear Cider. A pear cider. I like the packaging, it's cool. I like the lettering. This is 5% alcohol and organic. Organic pears make this up. I like pear cider with a little side of whiskey, a little like Jameson and a pear cider. Sip the Jameson, drink the pear cider. That's a delicious match right there. Great drink right here. Very summery. It's really hot right now in my house, and this is good. Remember to like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Moving along. So I'm here to talk about this, really. The Izula, which means ant. So I guess if I say Izula or ant, it's gonna be an ant on the screen. It's the Knife Connection exclusive. This comes in a lot of different colors, and this blue to me was really great. It's almost a purple. It came with some paracord that I did a little wrapping job there, and lanyard, which I don't normally do lanyards, but with this thing it's great, and I really like it. It just fits really well and just gives you a little extra something to hold on to with such a small knife. Also pulling it out of the sheath that it came with. When you kind of pull it out, it helps you. So it came with this and like a little whistle thing. I connected it to that. It came with some extra stuff for this, and I think a ferro rod and a couple other things so I could carry it. You know, this is a knife I take when I go on a hike or something like that, when me and my wife go walking around in the canyons and stuff. And I've whittled a few things, and that's what I really like this knife for, is just carving something, feather sticks, just carving a little something. I think I made an arrow, and I made, I don't remember what else. I think I made a knife out of this knife. I carved a little knife. I really like the ant logo right there. Apparently Izula, it's a Peruvian word, the Izula. That's basically like a bullet ant. And I really like that little logo. I like the name. I like that it's little, and so it's called an ant. Feels really good. That micarta handles, these were separate that I put on. So it comes without the handles. It's just, see there, it's a full tang all the way back here. And then you can put these on if you want, or you could wrap the whole thing in paracord, or just leave it raw, skeletonized. But I did that and this, and it matched, and I like the color combo there. This thing feels so good to hold, and it's just beefy and strong. I mean, there's just no way this is gonna ever break. I mean, you'd have to pry and, I mean, this thing's just not gonna break. Blade steel is 1095 carbon and a textured powder coat. And this powder coat is kind of like rough. It has like an orange peel to it. Blade thickness is 5/32 of an inch, 3.96 millimeters. It's a drop point blade. Blade length is 2 5/8 an inch. Flat blade grind. It's made in USA by ESEE. I also have an axe of theirs that I'll do a review on at some point. And I like their stuff. I've been tempted to get something else by them, but it's the two things I have right now. Overall length, 6 1/4. Looks right. The sheathing is a molded plastic. This belt clip works really well, and it just goes in there. You can change this and manipulate it, make it go sideways if you want to carry it like that on your belt. I'm fine with it like that, and it just makes it look nice and clean. The handle length is 3.375. The weight is 1.9 ounces. I just love that ant. They make one with a bunch of ants crawling all over. It's exclusive from somewhere else. That one was pretty cool. I was tempted by it, but I like just this simple single ant in the blue. I think this looks really good. Let's see how it cuts. All right, it kind of needs to be sharpened, but whatever. I need to sharpen it, okay? Fine. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, yeah, when I got it, it came with the survival card, which is cool. It just tells you some different survival tips, laminated. I have one in my wallet. I just keep for fun. But it kind of helps you think of a few things. Short-term survival, about shelter, and about signaling. And a few other things. All right, let's compare it to some other knives. Let's start with this, since everybody knows it. Benchmade 940. Of course, we'll go to a Spyderco Paramilitary. The blade is almost similar, but still shorter. How about this? Let's look at the ProTech Malibu. Shorter than that, all the way around as well. Here's a Benchmade Bug Out. Let's see how it compares to this guy. Shorter than anything on this table. I was trying to get something out to compare to it, but you can wear it around your neck, which I don't ever do that. I just don't. I love that ant. It's on both sides. You can see the ant there, and you can see the ant there. Izula. The fit and finish of these knives, they're just made really well. They feel really good. It's just built really tough. I need to sharpen it. Feel is great, and the look is great. I love those ants. All right, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Damn right I got knives signing out. I will see you next time. Adios.